This 2012 Lincoln Navigator L is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Lincoln Navigator long wheelbase navigation system, rear view camera, heated front seat, cooled front seat, sheeted rear seats, premium sound system, power sliding sunroof, 5.4L V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, keyless entry, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, black exterior, black leather interior, owner's manual, 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Lincoln Navigator L is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also visit us at autogallerychicago.com.